Just a little stretch of road, 11 miles. Has 318 turns. One of the best driving roads in the world. It's just a little pit part of Tennessee. Let's try not to fly off the side of the mountain this time. We are on the outside of the road. There are going to be some gorgeous views up ahead, and also some pretty steep cliffs. Let's see what we can do. Tires should be cold again. Brakes should be cold again. So we'll warm both of them up. Woo! McLaren 570S. That is probably the fastest car I've seen in an hour R8. Second fastest car. They are going for it. That was about at the limit of my grip, but it was good. Very. But when you're going this fast, everything's coming out of nowhere with these blind turns. Twisty section. It's constantly cutting through the mountain with these tight little hairpins. Here's a car. Be careful. And we are driving. Well, I accidentally hit a paddle in a CVT. Not exactly the best place to be. Back into my road. Apex is the side of the road onto the gravel. Might want to stay a little safe from that, but this is the perfect run. Yeah, this is going about 6/10. It's following the curve of the road. Uh-oh, I think I see one truck up ahead. Not too bad. We'll see. It's only like half a mile left. Thank you, sir. Last little blip. The tail of the dragon. What a beautiful road. That is a very wide turn. I'm trying to hit that tree. Calls to me. Don't look at what you want to not crash into. You can see pretty far up ahead. Just ease right into these curves like butter. Oh yeah. And that is the tail of the dragon. That was amazing. Yeah, runs like that don't happen very often. And that's a big wing rattling everywhere. I might have to move it to my pocket. There he Still a few more turns here. Thank you. This is one of the fastest sections. Oh yeah, look at this. Woo! That was a little fast. Beautiful. Well, it's pretty much the perfect day. Perfect weather, perfect driving. No sketchy situations. Drove near my limits. Still learned a lot. But this car still has a lot left in it, even though it's a base level Honda. You see it on the road every day, but you could drive it at this fast. Pretty much any car, you could push so much more potential out of it. If you understand car control, you have the confidence.